After signing up for a Chase bank account, completing the setup process is essential to manage your banking effectively. Follow these steps to finalize your setup. Step 1. Access the Chase website or app. Visit the official Chase Bank website or download the Chase mobile app from your device's app store. Make sure to use the official source to ensure security. Step 2. Log into your account. Click on the login button and enter your username and password that you created during the sign-up process. If you have forgotten your login details, use the forgot username/password link to recover them. Step 3. Verify your identity. You may be prompted to verify your identity through code sent to your registered phone number or email. Enter the code to proceed with the setup. Step 4. Set up security features. Once logged in, navigate to the security settings. Here, you can set up two-factor authentication, security questions, and other features to protect your account from unauthorized access. Step 5. Customize your preferences. Explore the account settings to customize your preferences such as account alerts, transaction notifications, and linking external accounts. This will help you manage your finances more effectively. Now that you have completed the setup process, you can start using your Chase bank account with confidence. Make sure to regularly check your account for updates and security measures.